Let's fold this star blade in a cube form. We'll need 12 units. So first will be to fold this squashed square base. You can refer to previous video and just open up like this. And we will need to draw some lines. You actually can just do a fold, but for me I will just score it using pen. So this is the first line. The second line is here from the middle until the line here, this line intersection. You can see this line here. And third line will be from the middle until this intersection line, just here. Sorry. And finally this part until this intersection line here. And just collapse it back. We'll flip over to this part here. No, this part. And fold this one up. And mountain fold this. Same as the back. And now flip over, and you notice in this back you will have the line already. Fold along the line, and for the left one we want to fold one flap open, and the other side will be just fold like this. Okay, turn to the back and repeat. You have a line there already. Just fold once and fold one more flap. And the other side as well. And now, still the same. We want to reverse fold this second one to the first hole here. Okay, reverse fold this one and to the first hole and fold this in. Same with the other side. Reverse fold this and fold this inward. Now there's this part here, we want to swivel fold this, swivel fold like this, and tuck this piece underneath. Just go ahead and place it anywhere, anyhow. It won't fit nicely. Same with this, swivel fold this part and tuck this in. Now turn over and fold along this line. Same with the other side. And we just want to crease this like this and mountain fold in. Same, crease this and mountain fold. And this is a complete unit. To assemble, we'll just have to insert this flap to the pocket here. And do the same to form a tree. This is a tree, like this. And once you have 12, just assemble this tree like this, and you have a 4, and it's actually forming a cube formation.